Hi, welcome to my art channel. In today's video, I will share with you one of my favorite flowers in summer. It's called poppies. On my way to work, I often cross fields of different seasonal flowers, which really inspire me and cheer me up every day. Poppy words also cover a part of that field, and I really love to bring it to a painting. I finally managed to do this painting over the weekend, and I hope that this painting today will also bring you some sort of inspiration to draw your own favorite flowers or to just simply paint a poppy field with me. I use only one flat brush, number 8 from Artist Draw, to draw the whole painting. I like using the flat brush very much because when you start getting used to the angles of this brush, you can create so many different shades and brush strokes as you like. I will show you later in this tutorial how I do it. To begin with, I'm going to cover the background of this painting in black. Just simply cover 2/3 of the paper in black. No need to worry about making it even. Any textures or mark that your brush left will create a unique shape for the background. Then cover the rest of the painting with green. Don't forget to add a little bit of water if you feel the color is too thick for your brush. I recommend adding often a bit of water into your quad palette because it gets dry quite quickly. And for painting the backgrounds and some first layers, like in my opinion, usually the first and the second layer, it's good that you keep your quad a little bit alive by sprays a little bit of water on it, and you can move your brush quite quickly with that, using the edge of the flat brush as a pointy angle to draw some branches in the background. Holding the flat brush in this angle make it similar to a round brush or a pointed round brush, which is help you to draw thin lines easier. After that, you can turn the brush left and right unpredictably to create some random small leaves for these trees. The key of this technique is that you keep your brush dry with just a little bit of color on it, and don't make your brush too wet. I simply enjoy painting greenery because the shape of trees and leaves are so natural and random. There's no perfect or a fixed way that they should look like. They are on random and natural, so I feel free to draw however I want, even if the shades aren't exact. It still look okay. That random effect that the greenery brings make it very relaxing and fun to draw with. Don't worry, there's no pressure to be perfect, so feel free to make a mistake and to experiment with your brush to discover so many different shades of the greenery that your brush could bring. I keep mix a bit of green, yellow, and white to create different shades of green to draw different leaves and trees into the painting. To paint this shape of leaf, I kept the brush fairly dry, then lightly moved it. Just remember that these brush strokes come with a bit of practice and patience. When you draw with your brushes or tool often, you will figure out some simple but very effective and personal brush stroke that maybe just belong to you, and this will make your painting even more special. I'm thinking of create a video to share with you how I use some of my favorite brushes to create different shapes in landscape painting. Are you interested in such a video? If yes, just leave a quick message in the comment below so that I know that this could be a potential topic that I will make for my future video. The grass is painted in the similar way like the tree and branches. but I just move the brush much quicker to draw different sort thin lines. When you want to draw straight lines from a flat brush, just use cut angle at flat angle and lift your hand a bit up. Do not put too much pressure on the brush. Move it very gently so that you can create the straight line and create different thin line, different shape that you want to create. Then I mix yellow with a bit of red to create the vibrant orange for the poppy. Again, in natural, the poppies are grow or bloom in so many different ways, in different angles. Each of them are so individual different, so don't afraid to draw random curves or shape for them. Draw them in various sizes as well, small, big, to create the deep and the dimension for your painting. I'm adding a bit of red and tiny bit of black to have a darker shade of red, to have a darker red, which you can use to draw the shade between the petals and adding more value and adding more detail to your poppies. Giving some final touch. And now it's done. I know today's video is quite short compared to the other previous video that I made, but I hope you enjoy and find it somehow helpful for your practice. Let me know what you think about this tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.